What an absolutely captivating performance. Thank you so much, students, for sharing your passion and dedication with us today. You truly brought the spirit of abundance to life. It's amazing how a deep belief can help us find strength, make the right decision, and stay true to our values. When we trust in a higher power, we are empowered to act with kindness, honesty, and integrity. All qualities we want to encourage and instill in our children. As we continue to reflect on the performance, it's a great moment to think about how we as parents can instill these same values in our next generation. Just as our students relied on guidance on music, we too can rely on our faith to guide us in doing what is right, both for ourselves and for others. Faith, no matter our religion, gives us the moral compass to navigate life's challenges and make choices that uplift us all. Moving ahead, we are thrilled to kick things off with an energetic and vibrant dance performance that is sure to get your feet tapping and your spirits soaring. Get ready to witness the incredible